Welcome to the ForteWEB training video series. This video is going to cover Teams in particular in the File Manager. Teams are a feature of the File Manager where you can collaborate and invite different members of your team to view and edit files that may pertain to their company or particular projects, or however you want to set them up. So over on the left-hand side of your File Manager, you may see some teams or not. These have already been created, so if I look at Tina's team, I have just myself. You can create a team. Please note that once you create a team, you cannot delete it. So I'm just going to show you how it works, and then I'm not going to hit the create button. So new team, and then hit create, and then it will appear on the left-hand side, and you can invite members or administrators, but I'm not going to do that right now because I don't want a whole bunch of them out there. If you decide you don't like the name of your team, you can change it to Trust Choice Products are the best. Or name it whatever you like. You can add members. I am the administrator because I just created it here. So you can add members. I'm going to add one of my coworkers here. And it's going to send them an email that says, hey, you've just been added to the team. Now, if your team member already has a Forte account, they'll appear automatically, and then they have access the next time they log in. If whoever you're inviting does not have access, or if they haven't created an account yet, they'll be given an email message that says, so-and-so tried to add you to a team. Please go make an account, and then you will need to re-invite them or try to add them again to the team once they've created their ForteWEB account. Now, Erica is a member. That means she can view members and files within the team, but she cannot add or invite or delete any members of the team. If you make her an administrator, now she can edit the team and add people and whatnot. Administrators can also delete other team members. Now, if you click on the all or the recent headings over here, this is where you can create your files. Now you can copy, let's say I'm working on this Forte Friday calc here, and I want to move it to my Trust Choice Are the Best team. So I can move it here, or I can copy it if I wanted to make a copy and leave a copy of that file in my files folder. But now if I look at my team, there's my Forte Friday calc. And you can create folders just like you do in the My Files section, but you want to make sure that, of course, all the team members are on the same page with file organization. Now, one thing to note, once I go into this Forte Friday calc, if I come back to the File Manager, you'll see this little star here. So I have a file lock on that, so Erica can't come in and make changes at the same time I'm making changes. So kind of a best practice if you're using Teams is to go back to a file in your My Files folder and just make that the active file before you close out. And that's going to remove the user file lock. So Teams is a great way to collaborate and organize your files to make sure everybody is working on the most recent copy. It's a great way to share files with your customers, and it's all cloud-based, so you can access it from any device with internet access. Thanks for choosing ForteWEB Single Member Sizing Software by Weyerhaeuser, and thanks for choosing Trust Choice Weyerhaeuser products.